Hi there, it's Rachael Smith, your local Big Bear real estate agent with RE/MAX in the mountains. I am a mom of 3 and your unofficial mountain guide. Let's talk about one of Big Bear's most exciting and sometimes overwhelming seasons, wintertime. Now, don't get me wrong, winter up here is very magical. The trees are dusted with snow, the lake sparkles, and the air is crisp and clean. Whether you're skiing, snowboarding, or just looking to build a snowman with your kids, Big Bear is one of the best places to do it in Southern California. But here's something most people don't know until they experience it. Snowplay weekends can get a little wild. We're talking full parking lots, cars pulled over on the side of the road, people sledding in drainage ditches or front yards, and snowball fights happening basically everywhere. It's like the snow brings out everyone's inner child and their inner chaos. Most visitors are just excited, especially if they're seeing snow for the first time. But if you're coming up during a fresh snow weekend or a holiday, here are a few tips to make it way smoother. First off, plan your sledding or snowplay ahead of time. Big Bear has dedicated snowplay areas like Big Bear Snowplay, where you'll get parking, bathrooms, and safety. All of the essentials. Trying to find free snow on the side of the road might sound like an adventure, but it's not always safe or legal, and it can clog up traffic, get you a ticket, and make everyone else mad. Second, get up early. The roads to Big Bear, Highway 18, Highway 38, and Highway 330 can all get backed up really fast, especially when chains are required. And once the lots at the ski resorts are full, they're full. Early bird definitely wins in the snow. Third, know before you go. Check the weather, check chain control, and Caltrans updates before heading up. There's nothing worse than getting halfway there and realizing you cannot go any further without chains that you don't have. And finally, if you're a homeowner or thinking about becoming one, this snowplay chaos is something to factor in. It can be a great for rental income, but it also means you'll want to think about parking. Snow removal and signage to protect your property from becoming an accidental sled hill. So what's the good news? Most of the chaos is very short-lived. It's usually spikes during a snowstorm weekend and calms down once the roads are plowed and the novelty wears off. Locals and regulars know how to work around it, and if you're in the loop, it can actually be kind of fun to watch. So what's the bottom line? Big Bear in winter is beautiful. Yes, it can be hectic, but with a little planning and some mountain know-how, you can make the most of it, and maybe even help others do the same. If you ever want help navigating winter in Big Bear, whether it's as a guest, a buyer, or a new host, I'm here to help. I'm here for you. Stay safe, stay warm, and don't forget the hot cocoa. I will talk to you soon. Bye.